All right, hey there, Heather here from Portland Volvo with a certified pre-owned 2020 Volvo S60 T5 Momentum in pine gray metallic with a blonde leather interior. This front-wheel drive sedan has less than 17,000 miles on it. It has a sunroof, cool 19-inch wheels, Thor's hammer active bending headlights, will illuminate the road ahead. It has the advanced package, which is the 360-degree camera system, and that's made up of 4 different cameras, one on the front in the Volvo symbol, 2 under each side view mirror, and the last one is right above the license plate. And that gives you a bird's eye view, which is great for when you're parking or pulling into a tight spot. You can also choose whatever camera you'd like, so you can, choose the side view cameras to see how close you are to a curb to make sure you don't curb those super shiny tires. It also has pilot assist with adaptive cruise control and the graphic heads-up display. Dual integrated tailpipes, plenty of space in the back. You'll be able to remote start this car with the Volvo On Call app, and you get a year's subscription when you purchase a pre-owned Volvo. And you'll also be able to schedule your service appointments, see how much gas there is in the car, track different trip information, see where your car is on the map if you've parked in a crowded space. This has the upgraded Harman and Kardon stereo system, and just a super light open cabin. Nice clean back seat. This has the upgraded linear lime Deco inlays. Your ignition switch is right here, and we'll check out all of those safety features, and those turn on. Those are checked every time you start up. Navigation. Your climate control is right here. Heated front seats and heated steering wheel. Auto dimming frameless mirror. And if you are ready for a super sweet sedan, this is stock number 6202A. And you'll find, if you're interested, follow the link in the description box below. We also have tons of S60s right now. We have all different colors, all different trim levels. So come check us out. We're on 9 US Route 1 in Scarborough, Maine. And thanks for watching from Portland Volvo.